Hi. Okay, so we are doing a e-viewing for the house today, and Noelle, you will just follow us.
Okay.
So first things first, on the left side, there's a guest room. Okay. Yeah, behind of us, in front of us is a guest room. So
It comes with an aircon, you have a fan.
aircon, a fan, and two lightings. Okay, and then you have a window behind here. So after that, you have this toilet. This is a guest bathroom, sink, WC, and also a shower. Okay, so come. So now we are going back to the main hall. So with the door behind of me, in front of us is actually the living room, and on the right side here is the kitchen. Yeah, can come here and show us. Right. So this kitchen, you have a stove that is run by a gas tank inside. You have a double countertop on the left and on the right, with a orange light on top. Okay.
This has a lot of ample space for you to keep your things.
Can you go there?
You can do your dry cooking over here, and also your wet cooking over here.
Okay, so now in front of us is actually the wet kitchen. So what you will notice is that first of all, there's a shade, this blind, and because it's raining, so we can pull it down to cover it. There's also a countertop here to do your wet food preparation. There's a washing machine and a dryer here. Okay, and then behind of us, this is the maid's bathroom. This is what they call a +1. Simple WC, sink, and a shower and a mirror. Okay, so on this side is a maid's room. They have actually installed a clothes rack on this part of the wall also. So you can use it to hang your clothes, your carpet. Alright, and then behind of us here is the back entrance. Yeah, that connects to the main corridor. So this back entrance is for you to throw away your trash and all these things away from the main door. Okay, you go. So now we are going back to the living room again. Right. Okay, so this is the main living hall. Yeah, you can walk around.
Perhaps you could have your dining area over here.
Yep.
Up here, and your living room.
Can?
Oh, you still want to go?
I'm running the video. Never mind, I thought. Okay. So you have the 2 horsepower aircon in front, and you will notice there's a double track railing all the way from left to right, full length. Another 2 horsepower aircon on the left side, and the balcony here is fully open. Let's go and have a look what's in front. Alright, so in front of us is actually the swimming pool. Down there is the road that comes in. In front of that is the trees, and we are at level 3. So this is the highest floor of the low-rise compartment of this condominium. So yeah, and let's look down. Okay, you can see the garden here. You're at the roof, the tree top also, canopy level, and it looks like the unit below is empty currently. Yeah. Okay, so let's go in. Come now. Show us the master bedroom.
So the master bedroom is to the left.
Okay.
As you walk in, you'll notice a walk-in wardrobe on your left. So you have ample cabinet space over there. You can have a look.
So this is the walk-in wardrobe. First of all, there's a piece of mirror door also. All right, there's a mirror. Yeah, that's me. So it has all the racks on the wall. You can adjust the height of the racks, and also a shelf here. Okay, so now looking at the other side of the master bedroom, you have an aircon 1.5 horsepower on the wall, and also rings, curtain railing on top with a window. Okay, so this room is quite spacious, and if you want, you can install your television down here. This is the place to do it. So down here, there's one plug here and another plug there. Okay, so you can put your king size bed in the middle. Okay. So moving on, this is the master bathroom. So same thing, sink, WC, and also a shower. Okay, with a shower screen. All right. Okay, so now we are going to our second and third room in the house. This is on the right side of the living room. So okay, so we'll start with this room first. This is the second room. Empty, aircon on top, and a fan and a light. Okay, and then you have the ensuite bathroom also. So same thing, mirror, toilet bowl, shower. Okay, so yeah, this is our third room. Yeah, you have a window with the swimming pool view. It looks like a 1 horsepower aircon, and also an ensuite bathroom. Okay, so the light here is orange, and just to go behind, yeah, this is how it looks like. Okay, so that brings an end to the video. If you're interested to rent the place, just let us know. Okay, bye bye.